Erika, I'm in a car wash and you won't answer your phone. So I'm gonna make a video. It's so dark. So dark. That's really creepy. But so I bought a new CD today. I bought Boys Like Girls, but I'm still not listening to it. I'm still listening to my Sugar Ray CD. It's so good. So I'm really bored. I actually really like this car wash. I got the works from Aiden Express. They have such pretty colors at one point. Me and Joey were in here, and this is where we heard that Mexican song that's like something like that. So yeah, I'm bored, so I don't can you even see that? It just looks like YT, I'm sorry. But I'll show you when it comes to the pretty colors and stuff. So I was talking to my grandma today, and I told her kind of everything, like about mechs. I told her everything about mechs, and she was kind of like, she sounded disappointed, but she was like in a Mexican, like, ay, Brandon, ¿cómo fuiste? And yeah, but in Spanish, or that was Spanish. But yeah, and I told her about the hoes in my life too, and all this good stuff. That's actually pretty cool. She tried to give me $20 for like gas and car wash, and I'm like, I have money. Like, I'm a working man now. Look. That was like Kisami or Sigesi's like water jutsu. We never played that game either. Erika, why am I talking to my iPod alone? So sad. I'm like scared one of the workers is gonna like just look at me and see me talking and talking. It's so clean. We're going into clear coat protected. You can see it. I don't know. Oh, these are the colors. Wait. Like, can you see it? I don't know. Can you see it? There's like pink and blue and yellow. I don't know if you can see that. This is so cool. So cool. I reminded myself of calling them, you're so cool. Or Rachel. They're Asian. I should have been playing my Breeze Carolina CD and sang that one song. Let's break like you like it. Take it back and I'll stop this track right here. I think it's over. Oh, it's spot free rinse now. I think it's over. I'm gonna call you again and you better answer, Erika.